Depression or major depressive disorder is a common and serious medical illness that negatively impacts how you feel, the way you think and how you act. People suffering from depression encounter persistent sadness, lack of interest or pleasure in activities they used to enjoy earlier. Coming out of depression, even with medication and counseling, is a tricky affair. The way out of this unending dark staircase is to take small steps every day. Morning is the most positive time of the day and also the best to establish healthy routines that can make one feel elevated. Here are some morning habits that can help one cope with depression. 1. Brush your teeth. Brushing your teeth seems to come instinctively to those who have a sound mental health. But for people with depression and other mental health issues, it can be a tedious task considering they have very low levels of energy in general. For someone to deal with depression, the first thing they need to do is get up from the bed and get into a habit of, one step at a time, that is, go to brush their teeth. 2. Get some sunlight. Sunlight can boost happy hormones and can do wonders for people with mental health issues. 3. Regular wake-up time. Establishing a regular wake-up time can be helpful in keeping the body's biological clock running smoothly and improving the sleep quality, which can improve the symptoms of depression. 4. Breathing exercise. Taking a few minutes in the morning to practice some basic breathing activities or mindfulness can help one focus their mind and reduce feelings of anxiety and stress, two factors that can worsen depression. 5. Exercise. Exercise, both heavy like weightlifting or light like yoga, has also been proven to be an effective treatment for depression as it releases endorphins hormones, which serve to improve your mood. 6. Balanced breakfast. Eating a balanced breakfast each morning can also help to regulate your blood sugar and give your body the energy it needs to make it through the day. Taking a few moments each morning to think about what you're grateful for can help to refocus your attention away from negative thoughts and bring about a sense of contentment. 7. Journaling. Finally, journaling the disturbing thoughts early in the morning from the night and indulging in morning affirmations like, I am worthy, I am capable to overcome challenges and I am resilient, can also prove to be helpful in dealing with depression. In conclusion, overcoming depression is a complex and challenging journey, but by incorporating small, positive habits into your daily morning routine, you can gradually pave the way to improved mental health.